You know that Qlik and Talent have joined forces to bring data analytics and data integration together. Now we're doing the same with your learning experience, bringing the best of both worlds together for a whole new learning solution. Welcome to Qlik Learning, a single integrated learning platform with all the training you're looking for. Get hands-on experience, expertise, and certified all in one place with one single sign-on using your Qlik account. Available anytime, anywhere, with all the resources you need right at your fingertips. Your Qlik Learning subscription is designed to energize your learning experience, accelerate your success, and help you grow your skills and expertise throughout your career. No matter where you are on your journey, Qlik Learning gives you the keys to success. Easy-to-follow learning journeys designed for your role guide you down the path to becoming a Qlik expert. Along the way, you'll complete engaging courses to help you grow from beginner to expert with access to hands-on lab environments so you can learn by doing. And Qlik Learning has so much more. Tools and frameworks capture years of real-world experience from experts in the field and are organized into easy-to-follow packages. These resources give you access to jobs, configurations, code, and detailed instructions that help you customize them for your requirements. Register for instructor-led live webinars, validate your knowledge with assessments, explore learning programs such as our academic program and custom application training, and understand, analyze, and use data confidently with our data literacy program. You'll get access to an extensive library of Qlik Learning shorts. These quick videos show you exactly how and why to perform common tasks so that you get it right the first time, every time. You'll also get project examples to help you innovate new ways to bring your organization additional value from their investment in Qlik. Qlik Learning makes your learning experience fun. Challenge your peers as you work your way up the leaderboard. Earn trophies and badges to help further your career, work to complete challenges, and set new records for continuous learning. When you're ready, you can pursue the ultimate recognition of your expertise, Qlik certification. Qlik Learning has the resources and practice exams to help you prepare. Then, launch your certification exam directly from Qlik Learning at any time. Check out Qlik Learning today and complete the short Getting Started with Qlik Learning course to explore everything Qlik Learning has to offer. Check it out now!